Hello friends, in this session we will see option command. In option command, which commands are available, how to use option command, all they will see in this lecture. Okay, there are two methods to open option. First one is directly enter shortcut key. Okay, OP means option. Okay, see, there is option command is available. You can enter. Okay, here the option dialog box is open. Okay, in that here file, display, open, save, plot, publish, system, user preference, drafting, here 3D modeling, selection, profile. Okay, we will see in display. And first of all, we will see another method of the open the option command. Okay, click on application menu. Okay, here the option command is available. Directly click on that. Then also the option dialog box is open. Okay, like this you can use open option command. Okay, here window element. Okay, display scroll bar in drawing window, display drawing status bar, use large button for toolbar. Here the options. Okay, status bar and use, it's not important. Okay, here show shortcut key in tool tips. Okay, here font color, our cursor size is adjust from here, small and bigger. Okay, see here XRF display. In when we see XRF command, then I will show you how to work this command. Okay, now click on colors. Okay, if you change the windows color, background color, okay, then in 2D model space select the uniform background and select white and any other green. See here the preview of the window background. Okay, if you want to select blue, select blue, white. Okay, and click on apply and close. Okay, see here the apply is applying white color to background. Okay, if you want to restore all, okay, then click on restore all contents, apply. Okay, restore. See, this is the all the interface are restored. If you want to change the color of the our cursor, then select change from here. The preview of this cursor is shown as here. Okay, if you want to restore, then click on restore and apply and for change. Okay, if you want to change font size, here the font size of the font size are available, and here the font style is available. Here the fonts. Okay, you can use which you want and select and click on apply. Okay, now next is in drafting. Here the auto snap marker size, after if you want to increase, then increase from here, otherwise, and aperture size means cursor size. Okay, of the square. Okay, this is changed from here. Okay, now and others commands as per our requirement we will see. one by one. Okay, but these are the important. Okay,